Trubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Ki Tylli ki regional committee ki balabenchet da kasorkar jella banlet che ki Jaka hakapun ki badan jing Ïakajia put hapdeng ka Meghalaya bat Assam nakabenta ban poi shika jing penbet put kila Aiti ka Kaiphod ha umentri rangba ukonrat ki sangma kini ki Tylli ki regional committee ki kenthop yakawei ka bakhli de usembut menteri rangba uba prestun tensong bat kawei pat ka bakhli de umentri sorkar uba renek ton lengdo tongkhar Hadian baladap Aiti ka Kaiphod ha umentri rangba nakaliang uba prestun ulayathu baki regional committee na Meghalaya batki regional committee na Assam kidai ban pha ki Kaiphod chala ki jong ki menteri rangba bat hadian babaro arngut ki menteri rangba kilayo pediang ki Kaiphod ondan chwa ka jingya selong bat ki sengsan Hima bat ki wei ki nongyo benta jong ka jella Ulaong bakan nomdan ka jing pha mar kaliang yaki Kaiphod hapdeng ki regional committee na Meghalaya bat Assam. Henry yaki Kaiphod on sara lang ha ka jing yakendu jong ki arngut ki menteri rangba. Hadian baladep ka jing ya peliu jongmot bat ki wei ki badai ki nongyo benta jong ka jella.
Today we have submitted the report of the regional committee constituted by both the government of Assam and government of Meghalaya. And because in the chief minister's meeting they decided that the report should be submitted separately. The government of Assam, the regional committee from Assam, they will submit directly to the chief minister of Assam, and then the regional committee from Meghalaya will submit direct report to chief minister of Meghalaya. So accordingly, the regional committee of Ribhoi district, we have just submitted the report to the honorable chief minister. See, I think it is not appropriate for me to tell you even ong bangan patay ya detail ya report ke jumi markan ni kadai report kami submit kat kum ka terms of reference ka ba nakalian jong ka baru anut chief minister lai right te ngi nakalian jongi nilai submit bat ke basa kalau mentah saat ini bi anut chief minister bakin study kan report na daw ya mentah ngan namlakan bakai detail ka report ka ngi submit nakalian committee until unless nakaliang kami jong ki chief minister jongi na Meghalaya but chief minister jong Assam begin le.
Can we say that the areas of differences can be resolved within this month?
See, for that I think the best the best question it can be put, maybe it can be asked to the honorable chief minister, not to me. Because from our side is what I'm telling you, the regional committee is only, the duty is to inspect and prepare report. Joint inspection has been done and accordingly the report is just submitted today. So that is our duty to do, and we look forward that both the chief minister will sit down immediately and ultimately they'll take a decision. Yet till today, so maybe you can try to find out from Assam when do they submit or whether they already submitted or not. But from our side we have done it. That again I cannot reply right now. As I said to you, now the ball now is in the court of both the chief minister. They need to decide, they need to sit down, walk out and then bring out the solution. That's it. I think I can't reply beyond that. That's what I'm saying. You need to ultimately ask the honorable chief minister. Maybe he can mention some highlights out of the recommendation made by the regional committee.
So can we say that Meghalaya will gain more from this exercise?
Again, you asked me that question, which is very difficult for me to reply. I already told you very clearly. We prepare the report and also the recommendation according to the inspection on the ground zero, number one. Number two, according to the terms of reference indicated by both the chief minister. So accordingly, the report is submitted.
When is the next meeting between the chief minister for both states?
Very soon it will be held, but before doing that, our Chief Minister will have a meeting with all the stakeholders, be it the political parties, be it the same, be it the council, be it the NGOs. He will first have a meeting with all of them, and thereafter meeting with the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam will be fixed by the Chief Minister of Meghalaya.
Sir, as far as the reports that you have submitted, whether the process is being followed, that Assam will hand over its report to Meghalaya and Meghalaya hand over the report to Assam?
No, we already decided in the meeting of both the Chief Minister that Assam Regional Committee will submit the report to the Assam Chief Minister, and then Meghalaya Regional Committee will submit the report to Meghalaya Chief Minister.
And when will they open the reports? Because both sides...
Yes, that's what I'm saying. Next course of action is, number one, our Honorable Chief Minister will hold a meeting with the concerned stakeholders, sit down with all the concerned stakeholders, and thereafter he will fix the meeting with the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam.
Can we say that the report submitted by the regional committee from Meghalaya and the regional committee from Assam are in the same page, or they tally each other?
That I don't know, but what I'm telling you, from our side we have already submitted the report, and I'm not aware whether Assam Regional Committee they have submitted the report or not. I'm not aware yet till today, so maybe you can try to find out from Assam.
Nakaliang uba renekton ulayathu baka regional committee kabakli damau kala Aiti Jaka Kaiphod kabahan repho sansla badmenta kasyong sa hakasorkar bankhot Ïakajia lang hakajella nakabanta banyasalong uba renekton ulapan pau ka jingkermen babaro arteli kan sala banpenben Ïakajia badan hapdeng ka Ïakajia pun uba renekton ulapan pau ka jingkermen babaro arteli ki jella ken sala banpenben Ïakajia ki badan hapdeng ka Ïakajia pun kumbala ang nut bat kami lenti dakinong shnong jong kajella.
We as members of the committee, we have really worked hard and we have been able to submit a report today to the Chief Minister. It's a thick report, 265 pages report we have submitted. So now it depends on the government now to call again for a state level meeting. And of course, we wish all the best to the government to be able again to take up with Assam, and based on the report that we have given, we hope positive response will be there from both state government to settle the problem that people in the border are facing. So as of now, I don't want to share the insight of the report, but because the Chief Minister and with the committee again at the state level will check which one that we can disclose and which one we cannot disclose. But the only thing is that I have submitted the report, we have submitted the report, and I think it's very positive. I hope it will be in the interest of the state, in the interest of the people residing in the border. So that is the report, like that it will be in the interest of the people residing in the border.
So will there be this give and take policy going to be implemented?
You see, the give and take policy, as you know, people they don't like that much. So I will not say also give and take policy, but it's justified according to the factors that has been laid to consider for the decision of both the state government to decide whether it will fall under Assam or Meghalaya. That it has been considered wisely and positively. I hope it will be for the betterment of the people residing in the border area. The committee, the regional committee, we have discussed other thing also, other factor also to put under consideration. So, of course, mainly it's the finding that we found on the joint inspection, and it will be similar. I hope Assam also will give the similar report that we have given, because most of the thing will be on the finding that we found while going to the spot, to the villages.
What were the views of the majority of the border residents during your joint inspection?
their view, they have expressed their will. That's the only thing. We have made them to express their will. We have given the chance to them, even though there are sometimes that they are worried that they may not get the chance, but at last we have managed to give them a chance to speak out whatever they wanted to say. So we have given fair chance to them. Since we are going to meet again, because Chief Minister's level meeting will take place, we hope that it will be taken place this month.
So the committees have just, two of the committees have submitted their reports. One is from West Khasi Hills and one is from Rivoy district. And the committees have just submitted it about an hour back. So obviously I have not been able to go through it. So once the committees, once we go through the entire report, which we will do very, very quickly, because we want to call the stakeholders after this, and then we also want to have the meeting with our Assam counterparts after that. So we will be we will be going through these reports very quickly. I must take this opportunity to, of course, thank the entire committee and all the members and the chairperson of the committees who have really worked very, very hard. These are all interior locations, but they have traveled, and I think never in the history of the state has such kind of an exercise been conducted. So it's a very, very great and laudable work that they have done. And as I said, a lot of hard work has gone in, and we will definitely do justice to it by going through it in detail, and then, as I said, further discussing with other stakeholders and taking their opinions within the state, and then further, at the earliest, meet the Assam counterparts and try to take this forward to